I'm sure this has been covered plenty of times around the interwebs and all the rest of it, but I couldn't actually find anything that showed me exactly what a stock MT-82 manual shifter was like for a Mustang. This is a stock shifter here. I like to roll race my Mustang. I have a Roush R727. What a sexy beast. And I like doing the midweek sprints in it as well. And I find that even when you're in the groove and in the zone, you can still find yourself shifting at 7,500 revs, and you'll go from second to fifth or third to sixth. And the reason is mostly because of this stock shifter. Here's the rear mount. This actually mounts to the body, and this is the rear support. As you can see here, it's soft as butter. Yeah, and it's actually not a very tight fit either. Bear with me with one hand. So look how sloppy that is. It's just absolute rubbish. And then you've got your single mount to the top of the gearbox. So you can imagine as you're on it in the car, giving it heaps, this is torquing over at the front of the gearbox, and this is just left to flop and slop around, and this is quite a loose fit as well. I found there was a bit of lateral movement there. So anyway, that's the stock shifter, which I'm chucking in the bin. Unless someone wants it, they can have it. Replacing it with the MGW X-Spec short shifter. It's a 21% reduction, but I've kept the standard height. Ordered direct from MGW, delivered to Australia. Took about 6 weeks from order. So just for anyone that might be interested, who doesn't really seem to find too much, or thinking about it, or sitting on the fence as well. I sat on the fence for a while, looked at all the different options of different bushes for that, and I thought, do it once, do it properly. And looking forward to getting this back out on the track now, and see how much of a difference it makes. I'm not looking for faster shifts or anything like that. I just want to be able to know which gear I'm in. Quite often you'd be thinking, what gear am I shifting? And even just driving around town, you have to, shift backwards and forwards to double check. Am I in third? Am I in fifth? Whatever. So anyway, like I said, first video like this, bear with me. I'd rather have videos of me flat thrashing around the track anyway. So yeah, this is for the Australian viewers anyway, which we don't get a lot of this sort of stuff down here for the Mustang. Well, we probably do, but this cost me $900 from the States direct, where I priced it locally at about $1,100. So, and then if you can't put in yourself, you've got to pay to get fit as well. Anyway, thanks for having a quick look.